Welcome to my tutorial on trending short video templates, editing in Filmora mobile.
Maybe try to switch it to a different one. She said I ain't always like this, where the hell you get it from? This should be an anthem, holding you for ransom. I want every bit of you that you can give me then some. She must think I'm Hercules, more like a disease. She my damsel in distress, but still my favorite company. Then she tell me she won't ever leave, smoking on my weed. I just wanna see you smile, can't you try that shit for me? Why you move like that? Why you blue like that? Always out in public, why you rude like that? Brand new like that, treat your dude like that. Why you always in the mood?
Upload your image and music. Make sure the aspect ratio of project is 4:5. Add any suitable background as pip. Also change aspect ratio of this PIP to 4.5. Reduce opacity to 63%. Make a copy of the main track photo. Bring it down by clicking Switch Track. Shrink the size of this image, adjust its position. Change the filter of both photos as per your liking. In here I applied toaster filter and did some other color grade adjustments. Apply round corner mask over the overlay photo. Upload any title or logo overview screen. If it has a black background, then just hit blending and screen. Decide its place. In order to add automatic lyrics, hit text I captions. Add captions and then go to templates. I selected this text template.
Holding you for ransom. I want every bit of you that you can give me then some.
Go to video effects.
Different one.
Apply water wave. That's it. Please subscribe for more tutorials.